Matthew 14, verses 28 to 31. When doubt disrupts purpose. Lord, if it's you, Peter replied, tell me to come to you on the water. Come, he said. Then Peter got down out of the boat, walked on the water, and came towards Jesus. But when he saw the wind, he was afraid, and beginning to sink, cried out, Lord, save me. Immediately Jesus reached out his hand and caught him. You of little faith, he said, why did you doubt? So, the whole context of his story, les bazalwane, uPeter ubesehamba noJesu nabanye abafundi. uJesu eyoshumayela noma eyofundisa. So bebehambe ngomkhumbi, mase kumele bebuye, uJesu athi no abahambe ngaphambili uzobalandela ngemuva. So besahamba ngomkhumbi, bayambona uJesu esemanzini, ehamba emanzini. uPeter then says, ambona uJesu nabanye abafundi, but uPeter abe bold enough to say, Jesu, if uwena nginikizwi ngize kuwena. uJesu amnikizwi athi come. Ngifuna nje sidiscuss kancane, ngingadigress, but ngifuna kuyisidiscuss kancane lento bazalwane. You know, we come to church, siyakhuleka, siyawafunda amaBhayibheli, and we ask uNkulunkulu for umangaliso noma for izwi. And siyake sifune izinto ezi deep, nezinto ezi mysterious, nezinto ezingama revelation. But look what Jesus says to Peter. Uthi come, phela. And the effect of that word come allowed to Peter ukuthi ahambe emanzini. uPeter was not walking on water. uPeter behamba kuleli izwe lishiya uJesu lithi come. When kushunyayelwe enkonzweni and simple words are said, siyake singawakholwa because we want something deeper. Kanti uJesu is saying something as simple as come, believe, I love you, I forgive you, my grace is sufficient for you. Aphuma uPeter ahambe emanzini. Mesahamba isolwandle, it's open sea. Kube nomoya strong. In open seas vele umoya uba khona, but uba mncane uphinde ube strong uphinde, but this was a strong wind iBhayibheli ngendlela elibeka ngayo. Ngizophinde ngiphinde lento engayisho the last time ngikhuluma ngoPeter. Sometimes iexperience yethu neknowledge yethu ilwa nokholo. Ngesikhathi umoya ufika umdudula uPeter, wakhumbula uPeter ukuthi no, mina ngiya understand ulwandle, ngiyawazi umoya wasolwandle. I've seen umoya waselwandle uginqa umkhumbi noma ucishe igunqa umkhumbi. So ngiyini mina? Wangabaza, washona phansi. Experience sometimes fights against faith nokholo lethu. But meshona phansi uPeter, uJesu ambambe ngesandla amdonsa aphume naye babuyele emkhumbini. Then uJesu athi, "Oh you of little faith, wena onokholo oluncane, why did you doubt?" Why did you doubt? But because uJesu unomusa, unegrace, even when we have doubted, noma sesingabazile, but uyasilula isandla sakhe somusa sitakule. And that's what exactly he did for Peter. He saved uPeter noma walula isandla sakhe because injongo yayisakhona ngoPeter. Peter had a purpose to fulfill ekaNkulunkulu. Number 2, when failure feels final. Noma ukuhluleka kwethu sifile ngathi sekuphelile ngathi. Ngizocela sifunde the book eka Luke 22 verses 54 to 62. Luke 22 verses 54 to 62. Luke 22. Then seizing him, they led him away and took him to the house of the high priest. Peter followed at a distance. And when some there had kindled a fire in the middle of the country yard and had sat down together, Peter sat down with them. A servant girl saw him seated there, and in the firelight, she looked closely at him and said, "This man was with him." But he denied it. "Woman, I don't know him," he said. A little later, someone else saw him and said, "You are one of them." "Man, I am not," Peter replied. About an hour later, another asserted, "Certainly this fellow was with him, for he is a Galilean." Peter replied, "Man, I don't know what you are talking about." Just as he was speaking, the rooster crowed. The Lord turned and looked straight at Peter. And Peter remembered the word of the Lord had spoken to him. "Before the rooster crows today, you will disown me 3 times. So the background of the story, lesisifundayo bazalwane. uJesu, it was before uJesu abethelwe. And uJesu was preparing abafundi bakhe ebatshela ukuthi uzobethelwa. Masetshela uPeter uthi, "Peter, wena uzongiphika kathathu." Athi uPeter, "Ngeke ngikuphike Jesu." uJesu amtshela ukuthi, "No, uzongiphika kathathu." Athi uPeter enza statement, enza commitment, enza promise. Athi, "Even if I die, angeke ngikuphike Jesu." Fast forward, nangu uJesu usebanjiwe, useyashawa, useyathukwa, usethimselwa ngamathe, and uPeter he's there. Uyakubona lokho. Kuloso sicuku uPeter mekhona, kube khona intombazane embonayo. Ukuthi no, now ubuhamba naye lo Jesu lo. Amphika uPeter. Athi angimazi mina lo muntu. Kuhambe esashaya uJesu, aphinde abonwe futhi omunye umuntu. Athi no Peter, buhamba naye lo Jesu. Athi uPeter, cha angimazi nokumazi. Kwesithathu kube khona indoda eqhamuka ethi, "Peter, ngiyakwazi," and ubuhamba naye. uPeter amphika uJesu. Memphika uJesu, likhala iqhude njengoba uJesu eshilo. Aphenduka uJesu ambuka uPeter. Mephenduka uJesu ambuka uPeter, uPeter akhale. Aphuma abaleka ahambe. Sometimes when we fail, because Peter was failure, uPeter had made a promise. He had made a commitment to say, even if kumele afe, ngeke amphike uJesu. But what is masebhekene nesimo, nereality? Ebona uJesu eshawa ngalendlela weshaya ngawo, wamphika uJesu. The moment uJesu mephenduka embuka uPeter, uPeter is feeling condemned. Usefila guilty. Usefile ngathi disqualified from the whole thing uJesu embizele yona. Wakhala uPeter bazalwane. He cried. And angimjudge uPeter. How many of us we have made promises and commitment? Good mase sihlangene nezimo zempilo sigudluke kuona. But uPeter wenga understand, because into eyalimaza uPeter kakhulu bazalwane, it was that moment when uJesu embuka amehla hlangana. uPeter wakhumbula izithembiso wazenza kuJesu. Wawakhumbula amazwi kaJesu. And how many times empilweni njengoba ngisho we make promises And abantu mase besibuka noma besibuza ukuthi but banibani you had said ukuthi kuzoba nje akusenzeki, and we feel judged. And we feel ukuthi sifailile. Sifile ngathi sizihluleki. But kunento evuka kumina ngesikhathi uJesu mebuka uPeter, uJesu engamhluleli uPeter. It's a feeling uPeter wabanayo, but uJesu was not feeling ngaleyo ndlela. And sizobona masiqhubeka sikhuluma indaba kaPeter. In fact, I have this belief ukuthi ngesikhathi uJesu membuka uPeter, he was reassuring uPeter ukuthi Peter ngiyakubona. Peter ngiya-understanda. Kubhlungu ukungibona ngishawa kanje. Kubhlungu ukungibona ngithuka kanje. And now uyayisabela impilo yakho. Because those people meant business. And he was affirming uPeter. Uthi Peter, I still love you. Peter, I still have a plan and purpose for your life. The situation may not look like it is, but I still have a plan for your life. The Bible says uPeter wakhala wahamba. And he felt disqualified. uPeter went back wabuya wayodoba. Do you remember ukuthi uJesu wathi Peter, ngeke usadoba ufish wena, usuzoba umdobi wabantu. Peter went back to fishing. Wabona ukuthi akaqualify for God's purpose. But God's purpose will prevail, bazalwane. Number 3, when grace restores purpose, noma umusa mawubuyisela injongo kaNkulunkulu. Ngizocela sifunde uJohn 21 verse 15 to 19. John 21 verses 15 to 19. When they had finished eating, Jesus said to Simon Peter, Simon, son of John, do you love me more than this? Yes, Lord, he said. You know that I love you. Jesus said, feed my lambs. Again, Jesus said, Simon of John, do you love me? He answered, yes, Lord, you know that I love you. Jesus said, take care of my sheep. The third time, he said to him, Simon, son of John, do you love me? Peter was hurt because Jesus asked him the third time, do you love me? He said, Lord, you know all things. You know that I love you. Jesus said, feed my sheep. Now, this is the time where uJesu esevukile ekufeni. And uJesu mevuka uhamba ucinga abafundi bakhe, but more specifically ucinga uPeter. Ucinga uPeter. Uyomcinga la sebuyele khona. And uJesu umbuza kathathu uPeter uthi, Peter, do you love me? Athi Peter, yes. And the response kaJesu on each occasion, he says, feed my sheep. uJesu did not go out afuna uPeter ambuza ukuthi Peter wangiphikelani. Athi Peter, when you made a commitment but you broke that promise. No. But in fact, uJesu wambuza ukuthi Peter uyangithanda na? Memphendula uJesu uthi feed my sheep. uJesu is restoring uPeter to his purpose. Le ukuthi uzoba umdobi wabantu. Methi feed my sheep, methi lusa izimvu zami. Restore to the original purpose ebenayo for his life. He is not judging him. He is not crucifying him. And that is what uJesu is doing today. He's forgiving us. He is restoring us. That's what grace does empilweni zethu. Umusa kaNkulunkulu wenza lokho empilweni zethu. Each and every day. It is forgiving us. It is restoring us to God's original purpose for our lives. At this point, Peter felt disqualified. Lento yakhe noNkulunkulu noJesu nepurpose uJesu emnike yona wesephumile kuyona. But uJesu went out intentionally looking for uPeter. Ethi ngifuna uPeter. My grace is sufficient. My grace can restore you. And Peter was restored by grace. At some point in life, sonke siyake feel disqualified. We feel like giving up. Sometimes kube lula ukubuyela emuva mawucabanga kunokuya phambili. But asikwenzi ngamandla ethu. It's the grace uJesu anayo for. It's the grace of God. Number 4. Sengizovala bazalwane. When purpose prevails in power. Noma injongo kaNkulunkulu mayifezeke emandleni. Fast forward. uJesu sekhuphukile wabuyela ezulwini. uPeter now he's serving God's purpose. Useyashumayela. Scripture for this part is Zenzo 2 verses 14 to 41. Ngicela ngakufunda ngoba maningi lama verse. Manje ngawafunda, I will need to read all of them kuze istory sizakale. But ngizosparaphrase nje ama verse. It's the day noma kusuku lePentecost. Lele lidumile eBhayibhelini bazalwane. Where uPeter, the same Peter waphika uJesu. The same Peter wangabaza. The same Peter wayefile disqualified. Useshumayela phambi kwezixuku zabantu. Lithi iBhayibheli on the day of Pentecost uPeter shumayela kwasindiswa 3,000 people. 3,000 people. Now Peter was standing boldly. Eshumayela ngamandla. Eshumayela egcwele umoya ingcwele. Injongo kaNkulunkulu now isiprevaila ngamandla. Yini eyashintsha empilweni kaPeter? What changed from uPeter odoubtayo to uPeter ofile disqualified? What changed bazalwane? He was forgiven. Waxolelwa. He was restored. Wabuyiselwe enjongeni kaNkulunkulu. He was now filled ngomoya ingcwele. And God's purpose prevailed. Because when God assigns a purpose to your life, ayikho into engakhansela lonto bazalwane. Ukuhluleka kaPeter noma ukufeyila kaPeter akumdisqualifyanga. In fact, kwammature, kwamdeveloper. But most importantly, kwamthoba. Because lento kaJesu, it's got this humbling effect. It removes ukwazi namandla nokuqonda kwakho. And you become reliant kuyena kuphela. Story kaPeter is not a story of ukuba perfect. It's not a story ukuthi yonke into uPeter beyenza ngendlela right. But it's a story sokukhombisa ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyayifeza injongo ngomuntu. Noma sehlulekile, noma esehlehlile. Ngiyangibuza ukuthi uPeter kube bephile ensukwini zanamhlanje ngabe uPeter sithi umphika uKristu. Because wamphika uJesu. Lo Jesu emphika, it's the same uJesu wambuleleka kuPeter. It's the same uJesu behamba noPeter. uJesu ayibona imanga nemangaliso azenzayo. But wamphika uJesu. Ayibonge bazalwane. Sengivala, encourage abantu abasha. Istory sika Peter, it's about God's purpose prevailing. It's about injongo kaNkulunkulu. uPeter wangabaza wacwila. uPeter wamphika uJesu. uPeter wakhala. But uMusa wamfumana wambuyisela enjongweni kaNkulunkulu. What God did for Peter, surely he can do it for you and I namhlanje. It's not about being perfect, but it's allowing the grace of God to save you and restore you. Ayibonge bazalwane. Siyake singabaze kwenye inkathi la kumele ngabe sikholwe khona ngempela. Siyake siphike noma siyake sicashe ngalesi sikhathi kumele ngabe sivela ngempela siliproclaim igama lika Jesu. Kwenye inkathi siyake sigive up ngalesi sikhathi kumele ngabe siya persevere khona noma sipush. But that does not disqualify us. uJesu namhlanje usabuza ukuthi do you love me? Usawubuza nalombuzo namhlanje uthi uyangithanda na? And if the answer is yes, uthi feed my sheep. Uthi feed my sheep. Wondla izimvu zami. I want to encourage young people. I want to encourage nomubani. Your plans, your goals, and your dreams, they are valid. God planted or assigned that purpose to you, and it's for you. And nothing is going to cancel that. Siyasibona istory sika Peter, siyabona uPeter ezefika egcineni eshumayela ngamandla ecwela umoya engcwele kusindisa abantu about 3,000. Because ayikho into ewengayenza engakhansela iplan kaNkulunkulu enayo for impilo yakhe. God's purpose will prevail. Sengiyavala bazalwane, ngizocela ubaba uZondi eze phambili azosikhulekela sibizele ialtar call. Those are my words for encouragement namhlanje ukuthi God's purpose will prevail bazalwane.